Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to configure slab-based schemes in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the Configuration menu and open the Setup Scheme campaign window. Then click Refresh. Enter the scheme campaign name and define the time period for which the scheme will remain active. Next, go to the Group Options tab. Select the scheme campaign. Enter the group name. In the Scheme Group Type column, press the space key and choose the appropriate option from the drop-down based on how the scheme should be applied, then save the changes. After that, move to the Scheme Groups tab and select the brand name on which the scheme will be applied and save the settings. Moving on to the next step in the scheme setup, you now need to configure the slab details for the scheme campaign. To do this, open the Scheme Campaign Slab Details window. Select the scheme campaign. Since this is a value-based slab scheme, enter 1000 in the minimum quantity or value field and set the scheme basis to value. In the Slab Details section, define the slabs. If the bill value is 1000 rupees or above, 10% CD will be applied. In next row, define next slab. If the bill value is 2000 rupees or above, 15% CD will be applied. Lastly, if the bill value is 4000 rupees or above, 40% CD will be applied. Once all slab details are entered, save the changes. Open the Sale Bill touchscreen window to see how the scheme works and start a new transaction. For example, if the bill amount is 1899 rupees, then while saving the bill, the Available Schemes window will appear. Tick to apply the scheme, and you will see that 10% cash discount, CD, is applied. Next, add additional items to increase the bill value above 2000 rupees and save the bill again. Tick to enable the same scheme, and this time 15% CD will be applied. Finally, increase the quantity or add another item to raise the bill value above 4000 rupees. Click to save the bill. Tick the scheme, and you will see that 40% CD is applied as per the defined slab. This confirms that the slab-based scheme is automatically implemented according to the configured value breakpoints.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.